Hi, I'm Julie Martin. I'm the team leader for the Red Carpet Crew and a broker at Century 21 Heritage House. On a day like today, I'm very excited to show you this lovely 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhome, and the setting is amazing. There's lots of green space, there's parks nearby, you're just a few minutes from the Grand River Trail system, but you'd never know you're so close to the 401 because it is so quiet, so peaceful, and so green. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised, just like I was, to see that a townhome this size comes equipped with a huge master bedroom with a 4-piece ensuite, walk-in closet, and don't forget there's also across the hall another bathroom for your family and guests. So if you're just starting out and looking for your first home, or if you're downsizing, I really think you're going to feel right at home here at 42 Green Valley Drive. We are the Red Carpet Crew. We're raising the standard of your real estate experience.